Hello and welcome to the Mercedes W123 channel. On today's video I will show you how to remove the rear seats on a 4-door saloon. In theory that's gonna be very easy. We're gonna start removing the bottom part and then after the upper part. To remove the lower part, you will see here in front of it, on each side there's a button. We're gonna press it both sides and we should be able to remove this without any problem. Why I said in theory? Because this one I press it and he refused to budge. So I will use a bit of penetrating oil. And let's see if I got a bit more luck. On your car it should be much easier. Now that we have removed the bottom part, we're gonna remove the top part. For this, you will see here, against, there's a screw that we're gonna remove on the other side as well. For this we're gonna use a number 8 millimeter to remove this. You will have a third one as well that you will find behind the armrest. Okay, so it might be easier to open it and pull this a little bit and then you will have access to it. Then we remove it. Now to remove the backrest, we lift it and it should come out normally. So it will unclip from the top and you will be able to take it out. I kind of knew I would have had a problem with that car because obviously it suffered a lot and obviously I didn't think it would come to plan. On your car it should be much easier. What I think has happened, I may be wrong, but what I think has happened is because it's rusted at the back where the window is, I think water has come in and then where the seat is fitted, I believe this is all oxidated. I may be wrong, but I would have to force on it and take it out. Okay, so let's continue. As well, I would like to remind you that if you wish to help that channel, you can do so. On the description of the video, there's a link where you can support whatever you feel like. What I do with that money? Well, with that money, I buy other parts and then I'm able to make other videos. So that video, which in turn will help you, so that way we can help each other. Okay, so thank you very much in advance. Let's continue. You see, this is where the seat is fitted at the top. So I thought it was because of oxidation, but no, not at all. I assume it was because of the time it's been there. That's it. So anyway, I've been pleasantly surprised as well pulling this out. There's not a slighted bit of rust. It's actually very, very good. So I'm very, very pleased with that. First good news I've got about the car. That's it. Now we've got the seat. Now in order to fit it, it's exactly the same thing but in reverse. So make sure you fit it nicely at the top part, the three bolts, and then that's it. It'll be done. Okay, so I hope that you have liked the video. Stay tuned, subscribe to the channel if it's not done so, and we'll see each other in the next one. Take care.